Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, June 18th, 2023, and today I'm going to be wiring up this Canarm 48-inch industrial ceiling fan. I wanted to show you guys how to wire one of these up for down blowing, which is going to be the most common, I'd assume. So the black goes to for down blowing goes to the black and the blue. Out of the blue and into the black. Give you this, but you pay for that. Once you're gone, you can never come back. Okay, and then the white wire goes to the red and white. And the Canarm fan is painted red and white. That means it's gonna spin throughout the night. Now this fan I acquired in a set of two. Neither fan was in. Both the motors were frozen when I bought them, and I'm missing the screw for the upper canopy. Oh well, that's life. The first fan I was able to oil enough to actually move, and had to turn it by hand quite a bit, but eventually I was able to get it to spin. Now this one here is its twin brother. Might be a little more difficult because it does scrape. So I'm guessing these were Friday fans. You know, that is to say they were assembled at 4:55 on a Friday afternoon, and they just wanted to throw them together over in the factory in China and wanted to get out of there. But anyway, yeah, I don't know what this is going to do. I've never tried connecting it to electricity before. So I have this set up to my 5-speed Enviro fan switch. And I will see what happens. Alright, here goes. Okay, so it didn't spin. Let me try turning it by hand. Oh, it's struggling. Come on, little engine that could. Come on, baby, don't catch fire. Alright, so this is the fastest speed, speed 1. Try speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. And speed 5. I have the hinting suspicion it's going to stall. And boom goes the dynamite. Well, I was made for an easy spin down anyway. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.